Hey, yo, what up, famous?
I'm over here.
Big up me G's them. Big up me G's them.
It's all about famous.
FamousSosick. Hey, Sean, that's me representing for Famous.
Ding Dang Ravens represent for FamousSosick. Big up yourself, yo.
Come back and watch a vlog right now.
Check them out now. And the maddest people, them. Mad. Yes.
So, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, right about now, you don't know, so today is Thursday, so me now have to tell you, but me I gotta tell you, today is Thursday, so today is Reaction Thursday. We're going to a reaction each and every Thursday. Thursday, only now have to look for no vlog, only now have to look for no short film, only now have to look for nothing. Me I shoot a short film tomorrow, by the way. Shoot a short film tomorrow, so you can look out for a short film Sunday. If everything go according to plan tomorrow, you can look for a short film Sunday. So, to the reaction Thursday, we shoot a short film, as me I say. Today a reaction Thursday. When we shoot a reaction video each and every Thursday, so we don't have to look for no other type of video than a reaction video on Thursday. Each and every Thursday. Me just come out, maybe hear the lean. The video I call Fried Chicken Around the World, you know what I mean, where we look on some different type of sweps and fried chicken. I have no idea what, because you don't know, me react to the video them live. We don't know. Fried chicken around the world. Jamaica have the best fried chicken in my mind. That's how me think, because Jamaica have the best KFC chicken, so me would think Jamaica have the best fried chicken in our world, because we have the best KFC in our world. KFC chicken in our world. You know what I mean? Yeah, we are going to look into the video. Me feel say Jamaica going to make the video. Out of every other video, me feel say Jamaica going to make this, because I just the simple fact say, and not only we as Jamaican people say Jamaican KFC chicken are the best in the world. I don't even know if them are going to talk about KFC. Them probably just talk about regular fried chicken. So Jamaica probably in the video, Jamaica probably not in the video. We feel like if they go the KFC route, them are going to talk about Jamaica. Yeah, I know we alone as Jamaicans say fried chicken are the best, or the KFC are the best out of Jamaica. People from around the world say it. So we could jump right into this video and see what going on. Damn, me record already? Alright, let me stop it and start it over back. Let me stop it and start it over back. We just record one bunch of things because I'm stop it and start it over. Alright, we up and going in again. We're ready for record, so jump into it.
There's nothing quite like sinking your teeth into crispy, crunchy chicken, which might be why chicken dunked into hot oil until it's golden brown is a go-to comfort food across the planet. From hot chicken in Nashville, Tennessee to Senegal's Pole Yassa, we're taking a look at fried chicken around the world. Chicken lollipops serve as the perfect hors d'oeuvre. A chicken drumlet is Frenched, allowing
India, chicken lollipop. Me see whole heap of them, me see whole heap of people make them up on Instagram, you know. Whole heap of people. Me always see them something up on Instagram. But then chicken I look red like a sauce of paprika then fry this, you know.
serve as a little
Them may look at air fry the chicken, them in a ketchup. Them may look at them want more ketchup. India also frying the chicken? Or just one type of fried chicken recipe that probably. Me not judge you.
handle. Before it's marinated in yogurt blended with spices like garam masala, which incorporates mace, coriander seeds, cumin seeds, and cardamom. Then the chicken is fried in earthy palm oil.
Me not think more that try that. That look on the chicken and look on the ketchup. You can't tell the difference. Then fry the chicken in a ketchup.
To make pahani V, a chicken breast is sliced to look like the letter V in homage to the Croatian city from which it hails, Virovitica. The breaded, then fried chicken is served with sour cream blended with grated horseradish for...
This no look too bad. This look like regular fried chicken. You know, you gotta get fried chicken somewhere on the roadside or store. This look like regular fried chicken.
punch of flavor. Bright red and packed with chili peppers, Chongqing chicken starts...
China. Chong chong chicken. Chong chong chicken. Chong chong chicken.
Diced bits of chicken that are wok fried twice to ensure a crunchy pop with each bite. The dish is packed with stir-fried Szechuan peppercorns, which are...
Me not lie, me would have tried this. Me love Chinese food. Me I go buy Chinese food. After me make the video, me I go buy Chinese food. Me love Chinese food.
for their tingly, numbing sensation, and combined with aromatics like ginger, green onion, and dried chilies for a bite that will literally set your mouth ablaze.
Me nobody think so. You know when you eat spicy food and you go bathroom, you pay feet after? It come like a glass buckle you eat? Nope.
Probably
Pass.
also takes more than a day to prepare, but this dish is well worth it. Chicken is marinated for up to 24 hours.
That chicken you have to good. Any chicken marinate for 24 hours. It depends on where you season it with still. Because you can season the chicken full and marinate and it just a go marinate fullness in the chicken. So it depends on where you season it with.
Nut oil, lemon juice, and cider vinegar, along with a mountain of onions, some mustard, and other spices. This tangy, spicy chicken is served over a bed of white rice for a hearty meal. Semita poblana is a hearty fried chicken torta. Thin chicken cutlets are battered, fried, chopped up, and are topped with creamy avocado, stringy
Mexico. What kind of fried chicken that?
cheese, chipotle peppers, fresh oregano, or papilla. Add in some bean spread and sandwich it between a sesame seed bun.
Oh, a fried chicken dish. So they must show you, well, yeah, different type of fried chicken around the world.
Ranked one of the top takeaways
England. Oh, that look like mustard.
the Brits, chicken parmo starts with breaded, then fried chicken that's smothered with a rich and creamy bechamel, then topped with cheese and popped in the oven for a cheesy, melty bite.
That look like would I try that still. I mean, I lie. Would I try that over England there?
Hard to imagine a world before popcorn chicken was invented in Taiwan in the late 70s. Cut it
Popcorn chicken invented at Taiwan. Me nah eat nothing in popcorn chicken. Why?
chicken into bite-sized pieces ensures every single bite is crisp yet tender, and the soy sauce, ginger, and Chinese five spice incorporated into the tempura batter adds a fresh, aromatic pop of flavor. Dipped in buttermilk, then dredged in
USA. You have Jamaican on the pan, this make a mad, you know?
flour for crispy skin. Hot fried chicken gets its unique spice after it's fried. When it's dipped into oil, blended with cayenne and habanero, then dusted with more spicy seasoning to light your taste buds on fire.
Would I try that?
Wiener Bacchanal dates back to the
Germany!
18th century when it was served to the Austrian elites, but these days the chicken strips are served as the perfect Oktoberfest snack. Instead of flour, Wiener Bacchanal uses breadcrumbs for an audibly crunchier bite, and is served with parsley and a sweet.
This look like a... You see, a whole heap of way they did for fried chicken, you know? Me I tell you, a whole heap of way they did for fried chicken, but me prefer French fried chicken. So Jamaica get it from France. French fried chicken, that mean a French fry with chicken.
Women for a refreshing finish. Katsu refers to the way meat is prepared, covered in panko and deep fried. Tori katsu starts with butterfly.
Tori katsu? Cat in a word, I make you worse at Japan. I'm not chicken that. That just suspicious. Japan, why you other put chicken and cat in it with the same word and you don't know we don't think you know. They didn't even hide it now.
Chicken thighs that, once fried, are placed between two fluffy slices of Japanese milk bread, crust off, that are lightly spread with Kewpie mayo. Indonesians are likely to argue over whose mom makes the best sayap ayam goreng.
Sayop and goreng.
Means wings, which are marinated in a blend of flavorful aromatics like
How that a good taste if you season your chicken with tamarind? Tamarind? Me not judge it, you know, but tamarind?
tamarind, garlic, turmeric, lemongrass, and shallots, then fried in fragrant coconut oil.
Me nah eat that. Me nah eat that. I'm nah eat that.
Because there's no breading, the skin stays extra crackly. Chicken Kiev starts with a chicken breast that's pounded flat, then rolled and stuffed with garlic and herb compound butter, followed by a generous
That look dry. It look like a chicken breast, but that look dry. That look dry.
coating of breadcrumbs and a dip in the fryer. The finished dish oozes butter and herbs onto the plate when cut open. Pollo frito is so popular in the DR, it's also become a staple of many fast food chains. The chicken is marinated in a brine of bay leaves, lemon, oregano, parsley, and garlic, then lightly dusted in flour and deep fried. It's served with a squeeze of fresh lime and a side of fried plantain.
You know when you fry the chicken and then you go put it back in a ketchup and them little something. When you cook up chicken, I cook up chicken, Jamaica people call it. You know when you fry the chicken and then you cook it up back, this look like you need to cook up back.
Jamaican food is
Me tell you this Jamaica feel there. But who fried in Jamaican chicken here? But that I think, let me tell you this. Some people like Jamaica bad name, because not every Jamaican restaurant have Jamaican people in there we know how to cook. So sometimes you go to a Jamaican restaurant and you get some food when not taste good and it just turn you off from Jamaica restaurant. Me feel like say you have some people who walk around and authenticate every Jamaican restaurant. We as real Jamaican, if you go in a certain restaurant and taste the food, if it don't taste good, it's supposed to shut down. Me talk about a Jamaican restaurant when they are foreign. You have whole heap of them where the food no have nothing for the Jamaican and put Jamaican name on it. Stop it!
known for its spice and flavor, and Jamaican fried chicken is no exception. Butchered whole chickens are marinated in a mix of thyme, allspice, Scotch bonnets, and nutmeg for an herbaceous flavor that packs.
Nutmeg? Me never season chicken with nutmeg. Nutmeg? Nutmeg? Me no know me nutmeg.
Serious heat. The chicken can be breaded before frying, depending on preference, but whichever way you try it, you're in for a treat.
Definitely in for a treat, but me no know about no nutmeg.
Harchongai are breaded chicken wings with a tangy flavor and sharp aroma. The batter incorporates flour, cornstarch, and baking soda to ensure a fluffier coating, then adds ingredients like pungent, savory shrimp paste, brine.
Shrimp paste? Me can't eat that. If me eat that, me swell up, bump. Allergic to shrimp. If me eat no shrimp paste, probably I just shrimp paste in him. No shrimp no eat. Me not take a chance.
Oyster sauce, sweet plum wine, and sesame oil to create a batter that will tingle all your taste buds from top to bottom. Frango pasarin are chicken wings, but it's their flavor that makes them stand out from the pack. Marinated in bright tropical flavors like lime, parsley.
Would I try this? Brazil don't look like onto something, I would have tried this.
Sweet paprika, the chicken is breaded in both flour and cornmeal for an extra layer.
Cornmeal? Me even like cornmeal dumpling. Wow, now see. Cornmeal? What? Chow.
Crunch. In Italy, to Milanese is to take a thin cut of meat, dredge it through eggs, then breadcrumbs, and fry it until crispy on all sides.
This look
Peppered
good.
chicken is a go-to party snack in Nigeria. Drumettes are marinated in atadindin, a sauce full of traditional herbs and spices like thyme, ginger, and Scotch bonnets, along with stewed tomatoes for a sweet and spicy sauce. The chicken is fried until crispy, then served.
The chicken look good. Would I try the chicken? Yeah. Big up all Nigerian. Would I try the chicken? Yeah.
Even more of that spicy marinade. The defining characteristic of
Korean. Meat Chinese food, meat Japanese food.
fried chicken is the ultra crispy skin resulting from not one, but 2 trips to the fryer. Yangnyeom literally means seasoned in Korean, and boy is this chicken flavorful. The glaze uses garlic, ginger, gochujang, and honey to create the perfect sticky, sweet, and spicy combination.
Me would I try that? No. Like right now. Would I try that? No.
Chicharron refers to crunchy fried pork rinds, so you know chicharrones de pollo are extra crispy. The whole bird is chopped into bites.
Bird? Minute bird.
Pieces, skin on, before it's marinated and tossed in corn flour. Chicken schnitzel is one of the favorites among Austrians.
Chicken shih tzu? Me nah eat that. I want dog named shih tzu. Why would I name the chicken name like this? Why? Look at my bird did the Australian now. Look Look at my word did it, man.
The extra crispy yet airy crust comes from a blend of corn flour and breadcrumbs that's slightly seasoned with salt and pepper. So, which kind of fried chicken do you want to try? Are there any we
Jamaican
missed?
fried chicken.
Let us know in the comments below.
Brazilian. That's it. Me do have a feeling that Jamaica did not go unite, but thank God he unite because Jamaica have the best fried chicken in the world amongst a lot of different stuff. You know what I mean? So, I just want to say blessings and respect to everybody who followed that and support yet a next video. You know what I mean? Be back next week, Thursday. We are going to react to a different video because, as me say, alright, but he followed up in an idea where it called in the kitchen Tuesday. You see, like how me do reaction Thursday, and each and every Thursday, you know, so you not get nothing more than just a reaction video. Tuesdays, more dedicate Tuesdays for just in the kitchen. So anything me I make, probably from anything once you do in the kitchen. So it can be baking, it can be cooking, it can be anything once it take place in the kitchen. So I'm not sure if I'm going to do it this week. I probably start it this week coming. It's called In the Kitchen Tuesday. So Tuesdays now I got dedicated for only kitchen video. So from cooking video, baking video, anything you have to do in the kitchen, look out for that each and every Tuesday. In the Kitchen Tuesdays. Blessings and respect for everybody who follow and support. Yet the next vlog come, could be anywhere in the world, but there I will not chill with me. So please do remember to leave a like. The like help the channel so much. Me never know say how so much the like help the channel. Me always hear YouTubers that say leave a like, leave a like, leave a like. Me a beg you a like. Me a beg you a like. Please give me a like. Yeah, and remember always leave a comment. If I even say big up my G's, I don't know, me truly really appreciate it. So mad move. Until next time.
Hold on there, before you click off, remember the merch in the bio right now for purchase. Any Big Up My G's merch, any color, we have everything for the ladies them. You know what I mean? We have phone case, we have everything. We have pullover, we have regular shirts, we have long sleeve. Support the movement, my G's. Blessings and respect. Up it in a